My personal passion goal is to create a fun NFT game designed to inspire, educate, and develop creative thinking skills, unlocking the millionaire mindset potentials one artist at a time in scale. The project's what? My creative team and I are in Q3 R&D stage on Initiates in Battle, a fun, new, innovative, strategic thinking, immersive, play to learn and earn iNFT game. The game's philosophy. It's designed to eliminate self-hate, envy, jealousy, selfishness, and cynicism by creating a real inner self-love to produce outer love for all humanity. I believe through self-discipline, thought, flow, happiness, self-esteem, and mental toughness from ongoing competitive battles in esports XR/AR gameplay, this will create a new, confident self-image in each user and player.